Welcome to today's Explainer. We're diving straight into a topic that's absolutely crucial for men's wellness yet, let's be honest, often gets brushed under the rug until it's just impossible to ignore. We're talking about age-related prostate changes and cellular maintenance. We're going to take a structured clinical look at a highly targeted solution called Prost-X by Standard Process. We'll examine the science behind its ingredients, who it's really for, and the practical realities of actually using it.
So, have you noticed changes in your urinary habits recently? If you're a guy over 40, chances are you know exactly what I'm talking about. Maybe it's the frustration of waking up multiple times in the middle of the night, or just noticing a change in flow and frequency. It's an uncomfortable reality of aging, but it's also incredibly common. Your prostate changes as you get older, and pretending it isn't happening just won't help. The good news is there are proactive, natural ways to support your prostate and tackle these exact concerns before they start dictating your daily routine.
And before we get into the breakdown of how to actually support that health, I want to make sure you have a reliable resource for the solution we're discussing today. You can purchase this product at drbellhealth.com. Free shipping and free returns on every order. You know you are getting authentic supplements when you order from Dr. Bell Health.
Section 1. Introducing Prost-X, the solution.
If you're looking for a supplement that bridges the gap between science-backed ingredients and a true holistic approach to wellness, Prost-X is where it's at. This isn't just another run-of-the-mill supplement you pull off a grocery store shelf. To understand why it's different, you really have to look at who makes it. Standard Process is the manufacturer here, and they've been a trusted name in whole food-based nutrition since 1929. That is nearly a century of institutional knowledge. They aren't chasing the latest fad, they're relying on decades of clinical experience in whole food nutrition to address specific, complex needs.
Think about it like this. On one side, we have synthetic supplements. These are compounds made in a lab, entirely isolated from the complex structures they naturally occur in. On the other side, we have Standard Process's methodology, minimally processed whole food nutrition that yields highly bioavailable nutrients. Bioavailability simply means how well your body can actually absorb and use the nutrients you're giving it. Prost-X emphasizes these bioavailable nutrients derived from natural sources, ensuring your body actually recognizes and utilizes what you're taking.
Section 2. The science, ingredients, and benefits.
I want you to think of the proprietary blend inside Prost-X not just as a vitamin, but as a dedicated maintenance crew for your cellular health. It's designed to deliver the right tools right to the job site. We have 3 heavy-hitting ingredients here. First, Spanish moss, providing vital antioxidant protection. Second, calcium glycerophosphate, delivering highly bioavailable calcium for bone health and cellular processes. And finally, bovine prostate Cytosol extract, giving direct, targeted prostate nourishment. Let's look a little closer at those.
Our star player here is the bovine prostate Cytosol extract. Now that might sound highly clinical, but the concept is brilliantly straightforward. It's derived from bovine sources to provide highly targeted nutrients. The philosophy here is that this specific extract delivers the exact nutritional building blocks directly to where an aging prostate needs them the most. It literally nourishes the gland to support healthy, normal function as men navigate those age-related changes.
But, a well-functioning prostate doesn't exist in a vacuum. It needs a healthy systemic environment, and that's where our supporting cast comes in. Spanish moss is a fantastic natural source of antioxidants. Why does that matter? Because antioxidants combat free radical damage and oxidative stress, which are the primary drivers of aging and cellular breakdown. Alongside it, we have calcium glycerophosphate. This isn't just standard chalky calcium. It's a highly bioavailable form that strengthens your bones and aids in the complex metabolic functions that keep your cells running efficiently.
Section 3. Is Prost-X for you?
So who is the ideal candidate for Prost-X? Well, first and foremost, men over 40. This is when age-related prostate changes typically begin, making proactive care absolutely essential. It's also for guys already experiencing those frustrating urinary challenges we talked about, the changes in flow or frequency. But because of its broader cellular benefits, it's also excellent for anyone seeking tissue repair support throughout the body, and for health-conscious consumers who demand whole food-based ingredients over synthetics. Plus, as an added bonus, this is an HSA and FSA-approved product.
Section 4. Safety and side effects. As an educator, I believe in total transparency. There are no magic pills, and every intervention requires us to be smart about safety. The potential side effects here are generally mild. Some individuals might experience a little digestive discomfort, like nausea or diarrhea, particularly if you take it on an empty stomach or take excessive amounts. Also, it's important to note the capsule base itself.
The formulation uses gelatin for the capsule and a touch of honey as a natural sweetener. So if you have rare, specific allergies to gelatin or honey, you definitely need to be aware of that.
How do we minimize those risks? We turn the information into an actionable protocol. Step 1. Follow the recommended dosage, which is typically 1 capsule per meal, or whatever your doctor advises. Step 2. Always take it with food. This aids in digestion and significantly boosts the absorption of those bioavailable nutrients. Step 3. Listen to your body. Monitor your response. And of course, it's always a smart move to consult your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen.
Section 5. Conclusion. Proactive care.
If this holistic approach aligns with your health goals, I want to remind you exactly where you can find it from a trusted source. You can purchase this product at drbellhealth.com. Free shipping and free returns on every order. You know you are getting authentic supplements when you order from Dr. Bell Health.
Prost-X by Standard Process is a uniquely crafted, holistic approach to men's wellness. It isn't just about masking a symptom, it's about providing targeted nourishment to support healthy aging, robust prostate function, and optimal cellular maintenance across the board. Take control of your health today because proactive care leads to a healthier tomorrow. If you want a deeper understanding of everything we've covered, go read the full, comprehensive review right now at drbellhealth.com. So I'll leave you with this. What step will you take today to ensure your prostate isn't dictating your tomorrow?